Hey guys, this is Mark Roemke with Ninja Training TV. Today we have Nagare Dori from Shoden Level Kukishinden Ryu. Hey! Hey! Nice. Woo! It's good to take ukemi. All right, so let's explain this one out a little bit. You're in Katayaburi. As the person stabs, I step out slightly to the right and then move in the inside and I'm checking. Now, over the years, we could find from this side, if I just check the front arm here and I'm out a little bit like this, he still has the ability to hit me. Boom. With the secondary. So because I've avoided the weapon, doesn't mean it's over. Doesn't mean the game's over. So I might check like this as I come in and hit across both, and my left hand is controlling the wrist. Maybe I'm not getting a full grab and stuff at first, I'm just passing it and hitting. But from here, I might have him back on his heels, then I can rotate. So I like to teach my students to do an uppercut here, because now I've got it trapped across his back. Boom. It's easy to just come down and do a strike. I like to pin the sword arm against my leg so that I can use my body to help pin it. If he starts to pull it back, I can go with it, and it's a really cool way to do that. So let's try one on the other side. I'm here, I check inside, I come back through, hey, and I can come through and finish it off. Oh, I ended up with both weapons, yay. All right, so this is another good Shoden level technique for you guys. If you like this, please hit like and subscribe. Follow the links below if you want more information. We have a whole Hanbo course that you can go and take. And as always, keep training.